I'm the type of person who easily falls in love with some anime guys that I only see on the screen. That's why I got curious and tried to draw them. Obviously, I know why you're here, and that's because you also want to learn how to draw them. So now I will show you how I draw a hot anime guy. Let's start by drawing a circle, followed by drawing a curved line at the top of the circle. Divide the circle by 2, so you have to draw a line in the middle. Then mark a point that will serve as an ending point for the shape of the face. Usually, anime guys have a long face, and we will try to achieve that. Then try shaping the face. Make sure to make it pointy. Don't forget to use guidelines for a well-balanced proportion of the face, unless you want it to look like this. And then draw the ears. Just make it like a half of long for now. We'll fix that later. And now, draw his neck. Remember, the neck of guys is thicker than the neck of girls. Also, you have to take precautions on how long the neck is, because I remember I got bashed for having a drawing like this. Sexy giraffe babies! And draw some random clothing. Then we're going to use the diamond shape for the nose. You can just make it like this. But I want to teach you something normal, and I'm quite sure it can look even better with this technique. Mark 4 lines. It will serve as an eye proportion. And I also like using parallelogram as a guide for the eye. For now, just follow how I do the eyes. I want it to look like this to be extra hot. And add the double eyelid. Next, do the eyebrows. Just line is okay to be honest, but I don't want it. As you can see, I'm drawing the eyebrow hair little by little. The width of the lips depends on what expression your character shows, and I just want him to have a serious look. As you can see, I used the both sides of the iris as a guide. Now, let's draw the lips. I'm going to do this hairstyle, so let's start by drawing a line and marking a point. It will serve as a guide and the starting point for his hair. Then draw some basic shape for how the hair is positioned. Once you have that, try to erase some of the guidelines so it won't look messy later. And now draw the hair strands. If you're interested in how I do it, watch this. I press harder at the start and slowly lighter when I reach the end, like this. So now, continue doing the hair. Don't rush, I'll tell you. Because if you rush it, you won't get a good result. It's the same with the relationship. Remember to take it slowly. When drawing the hair strands, you always need to follow that basic shape that you did earlier. Once you finish the hair, erase all of the guidelines. Then start fixing the ears and add some shadow and shades. As you can see here, I'm shading the lips. Of course, who wants a pale looking guy? And now I'm coloring or shading the eyes. I want to add some lashes here, but be careful not to put too much because it will look girly. But I think it's fine. To determine the shadow, I will add some shading here. Lastly, shade the hair. These are just optional. Add some ink if you want. It will help to make the drawing even more looking better. And here's the result. If you want to learn more from my useless class, please like and leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.